right, so we are going to take a look at target 6. So without further ado, let's see what it has. Target 6 reads the line y equals ax plus 2 intersects the parabola y equals 20x squared plus 22x plus a at 2 points whose x coordinates differ by 20. The greater of the two possible values of a may be written in the form p plus q times the square root of r, where p, q, and r are positive whole numbers, and r is not divisible by the square of a prime number. What is p plus q plus r? So what we have here is that these two equations, y equals ax plus 2 and y equals 20x squared plus 22x plus a intersect at 2 points, right? And let's first find the x coordinates of those 2 points. And if we rearrange this equation, we get 20x squared plus 22 minus a times x plus a minus 2 is equal to 0. We're going to use the quadratic formula to get x equals negative times 22 minus a plus or minus the square root, and this is over all over 2a, so 2 times 20 right here. And we have under this square root 22 minus a quantity squared minus 4 times 20 times the quantity a minus 2. Now we know that the difference between these two solutions is equal to 20, which means that this thing over here plus this giant square root over this 2 times 20 minus this thing minus this square root over 2 times 20 equals 20. Now we know that this part will cancel out since it's in both of the x coordinates. So we're left with 2 times the square root of 22 minus a 20 squared minus 80 times a minus 2 over 2 times 20. And this we know is equal to 20. This is simply the difference of the roots, and we're given that to be 20. Now the 2's cancel out. If we rearrange and square both sides, that will give us, we'll go to the right column over here, 22 minus a quantity squared minus 80 times a minus 2 equals 400 squared. All right, once we rearrange this using algebra, and remember that on the target round you do have a calculator, which makes it easier to get a squared minus 124a minus 159,356 is equal to 0. Then solving this equation, all we have to do is use the quadratic equation again to get a equals 124, right? Negative times negative 124 plus or minus the square root of 124 squared minus 4a, the coefficient of a squared is 1, times negative 159,356. This is all under the square root here. And we're going to divide that by 2 times 1. This means that a, after simplification, equals 62 plus or minus 40 times the square root of 102. Note that 102 is not divisible by the square of any prime. And in addition, we know that we want the greatest value, so we take 62 plus instead of minus. That gives us p as 62, q as 40, and r as 102. So we get our final answer to be 62 plus 40 plus 102, which gives us 204 as our desired sum. So that means that our answer to target 6 is 200. And with that, I will pass it off back to Ryan.
Hi, everybody. This is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.